Can you build a website using just your mobile phone? The answer is yes. Creating a landing page, portfolio, or any kind of website you can imagine is now at your fingertips. In today's video, I'll show you how to do that using Hostinger Website Builder. Our Hostinger Website Builder development team has been hard at work and revamped the tool to be even simpler, as you can create, edit, publish, and maintain websites using only your mobile device. It now looks better than ever and offers improved control buttons to be more intuitive and mobile-friendly. Moreover, you'll still have access to the same Hostinger features, including the round-the-clock global support. With Hostinger Website Builder, anyone can build a website directly from their smartphone. You no longer need a computer to launch a fully functioning website. The first step to creating a website is going to hostinger.com, then choosing Website Builder. You can also access this landing page by clicking the link in the description below. Select Claim Deal and Add to Cart to get a web hosting plan and Hostinger Website Builder bundle. Besides having ample resources to keep your site live and stable at all times, our plan also comes with 24/7 online customer support, a free Lifetime SSL certificate, and built-in security features to protect your website from online threats. Moreover, the built-in e-commerce tools are available in all of our plans, so you can create any type of website without limitation. If you need more resources, feel free to choose another plan, as the Hostinger Website Builder is accessible for all hosting packages. Now let's choose the 48-month subscription plan to get the biggest discount and 2 months free of charge. Enter your email address to create an account, or use your social media login using your Google or Facebook account. Choose your preferred payment method, fill in all the required information, and don't forget to use the coupon code WB10 to get an additional 10% discount. Finish the payment process to redirect to your hosting account. Then begin the website onboarding process by clicking Start Now. Click Create a new website, then choose Hostinger Builder with AI. You will see a page asking you to create a domain name. If you already have one, connect it by hitting Use an existing domain. You can also create a new domain name here, since you'll get a free domain to claim alongside this package. Fill in your desired domain name and choose the extension you want to use using the drop-down list. If you don't have any domain ideas, you can connect one later by selecting this option below. Now click Continue. You'll see a landing page like this. Hit Start Creating to build your website. You'll see this page pop up asking for details about how you want your website to look. Let's start by filling in your business name and choosing the desired website type. As for the website description, be as detailed as possible. For example, you can describe your company's profile, values, and website features you wish to have. The tool also has a prompt quality checker to help you create more descriptive inputs. If the indication bar is green, you're good to go. Once you finish the description, let the AI do its magic by clicking Create a Website button. Wait a few moments as the website builder finishes generating your site, and that's it. Now you have a fully AI-generated website with 3 pages you can access from here. Now I'll cover how to navigate this interface. The website builder's header has a menu button, undo and redo buttons, a preview icon, and go live button. This section will let you create modifications for your entire website. You'll find the general website settings, including e-commerce specific features, website manager, and your site's global design options by clicking the menu button. Meanwhile, click this button on the bottom right to access all the website builder's features to tweak smaller website elements. You can add new website elements, manage pages, leverage our AI-based tools, change site's language, and configure other website settings. Since you have a completely AI-generated website, you can modify each section by tapping an element. A toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. As for website elements such as text and images, you'll need to double tap to show additional settings like font options, colors, alignment, or if you want to add or remove a new image. For instance, if you tap the header section, you'll see this toolbar that you can use to modify its elements. Meanwhile, if you want to change this image, tap on it twice for Settings menu. Tapping it once will only show the general settings toolbar. Okay, let's start by modifying the website, starting with the header. Click the header section, then select the palette icon to open the header settings. You'll see 4 tabs here where you can freely modify the header. Since I'm building a company profile website, I'll turn off the shopping bag feature by clicking the toggle button. If you don't want to use a logo, click the toggle button under the logo tab. But I recommend creating one for a stronger branding strategy and showing your credibility. Use the AI Logo Maker tool under the AI Tools menu I showed you earlier. You simply need to describe your business using a few sentences as you did with your website earlier and choose one of the generated logo options to download. You'll get a zip file containing the logo in PNG and SVG format and a favicon. Therefore, you'll need to extract the files on your phone first. The steps to extract files will be different depending on the device you have. If you're an Android user, you can use an app similar to Files by Google from the Google Play Store. Then locate the zip file and tap Extract to unzip the files. For iOS, open Files app, find the zip file and just press on it. The folder containing your logos will then appear alongside the zip file you just downloaded. Once done, go back to the site editor and click Replace Image under the Logo section. Hit Upload Files, choose your logo's PNG file, then select it on the media library. You'll see the logo in the site's header. Next, as the first headline of this website is enough, I'll delete the text below. Just need to tap the text, click the 3 dots menu at the bottom right corner and hit delete. If you find an image that doesn't fit your branding strategy, modify it by double tapping it and then hitting Replace Image. Choose your desired picture by uploading it to the media library, or you can browse through the royalty-free stock image library from Unsplash by clicking the Free Images tab. Once you have your image, tweak how it should appear on your site by modifying elements in the Style, Action, Shape, and Animation tabs. Hostinger Website Builder implements responsive website elements, automatically adjusting them according to different devices. Moreover, the tool will automatically resize images to load your website faster. Let's move on to another copy on the page. If you don't like what's generated the first time, use the AI Writer tool you can access by clicking this button at the bottom. Describe how you want the text to appear here. Be as detailed as possible as this will improve the generated content quality. You can also give a specific word count or preferred writing style. Hit the Generate Text button for AI to write a piece of copy for you. Besides creating a short copy like this, you can also use the AI writers to generate long-form content like blog posts. You can access it via the main navigation menu as I showed you earlier. Move on to the next section where you will see a contact form. Tap on an element and click the gear icon to change which email address you wish to use for receiving responses. Also, don't forget to edit your contact details and add the correct link to your social media platforms by going through the same steps as you would changing your contact form. Go over all the pages and edit the elements to match your branding strategy. Ensure your website embeds the right hyperlinks and displays the correct information regarding your business. Once you're done tweaking your website elements, do the last check by clicking the preview button. You'll be taken to a separate window showing what your website visitors will see once the website is launched. Check if every button and link is working correctly. If everything works as intended, publish your website by clicking Go Live button. It will only take a few seconds. After publishing your website, access the Hostinger Website Builder's Analytics tool by clicking the Feature button and going to Analytics. Here you will see website traffic trends over the last 3, 7, and 30 days so that you can track content performance and take action to improve your website's traffic. After publishing the website, all changes are auto-saved. In other words, the builder creates an automatic backup file each time you update the website. Just click this undo button if you want to revert some of your changes. And you just created a website using your mobile phone. If you have further questions or want to share your experience using Hostinger Website Builder, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more website development tips. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online journey!